Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. I'm here with IPSY today to show you guys how to transform into one of my favorite characters ever, which is Harley Quinn. But it is October, so I wanted to make it a little bit spookier, so we're going to be transforming into a zombie Harley Quinn. But before we jump into it, just remember to subscribe to IPSY's channel if you want to see a bunch of cool Halloween content and a lot more. So let's just get into it. Alright, just getting into the groove here. I'm just using a white cream paint to kind of prime the lid. It really helps the colors pop. And then just starting with the pink eye with a hot pink, kind of dragging it down, making it a little messy, cutting the crease, and just adding some light color to it. And we're doing the other side, which is the blue side. So just starting with the light blue and then adding a little darker blue and dragging it down. We're making her super messy today. Cutting the crease on that side, then just making it match. And her lips, the bright red lips, so just lining that a little bit. And just adding a red liquid lipstick, of course. And then I'm just adding like a pop of white to the center just to give her a little pout. You gotta just contour that nose a little bit, you know. And then just start on the brows, like her makeup's pretty simple in the beginning. She does need some lashes. I mean, she's pretty glam. Alright, so the body paint is super fun for this character. So I'm just starting with her put-in neck piece thing that she has. And it was kind of hard doing the letters backwards, but you know, it just takes some practice. And just filling in the negative space with black paint. Alright, so starting with the red, her shirt was super fun. I just wanted to make it like a ripped neck a little bit. Adding some texture with some gray paint as well. Alright, so some more backwards letters. I really chose a body paint that was kind of hard to do in the mirror, but I really love this outfit, so we're just drawing them all out. And then just adding like a little highlight to the letters. Now we're highlighting the neck piece a little bit, and you gotta powder it. Don't want anything to be sticky. I decided her face was a little too plain, so we're gonna mess it up, add some blood coming out of her mouth, really mess up that lipstick and everything. And dripping some blood down everywhere. I just really wanted her to be messy. Now I'm just highlighting the shirt a little bit. It makes it look a lot more realistic when you add some white highlights to it. And then she needed more blood, definitely. She wasn't zombied enough. Now the wig took a while just putting these pigtails in, but you know, she needs her classic Harley hair. Alright, and then I popped in some white contacts for that zombie look. And let me know what you guys think. I really hope you like it. I think she looks pretty dead, and I am really happy with how this came out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little zombie Harley Quinn tutorial. If you haven't already, please subscribe to IPSY's YouTube channel. We have a lot of fun Halloween content and other things, so it's just a really good time over here. If you want to follow me on any of my social medias, my name is Fancy Flutie on my Instagram. I also have a fun little TikTok and a YouTube channel here with lots of cool Halloween tutorials and makeup things. So yeah, I hope to see you guys there, and I hope you have a great Halloween. Bye.